Visit us at EduVo. Thank you for calling EduVo.
Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the strings class. Strings, which are widely used in Java programming language, are the sequence of characters. In Java programming language, strings are treated such as objects. The Java platform provides the string class to create the manipulate strings. Here we see how to create the string. Now here I just write string and greeting, which is equal to hello world. So this is a syntax of the string. So here is our string class. This is the name of the string and this is the value of the string. Whatever it encounter a string lateral in your code, the compiler create a string object with its value in case hello world. Here you can see the value is hello world. As with any other object, you can create a string object by using the new keyword and a constructor. The string class has 11 constructors that allow you to provide the initial value of the string using different sources, such as an array of the characters. Now we just see the example of this string. So I just remove this. And now here I write public, and public is static void main. And here I write arguments. Then I write character and it's hello array. We learn about the array in our next upcoming tutorials. So here I just use an array which is a character of hello world hello array, and then the value of the array is h e l, and then I just write l and o. Now here I just write a dot, and then I just write dot here, and as I just close this code here. Now a string which is hello string. So this is the name of the string which is hello string and which is new string. And then here I just pass the parameter which is hello array. So this is the character name here, hello array. Now I just print my this code here. So yes, now so I just write system dot out dot print line, and the print line is hello string. Now we just see the output. So run. So you can see it will print all the hello string array, which is HELLO and dot sign. Now we just see the example and the example of the length string and see what is the length string. Method used to obtain the information about an object are known as accessor method. One accessor method that you can use with the string is the length method, which returns the number of characters contained in the string object. Now we just see the example of this string length. Here I write public, and public is static void main, and then I write string and arguments. Then I write string, and string is pend rom. Okay, so it's a pend rom, so which is equal to don't dot sa I was taught. Okay, and here I just write length, integer length, and which is equal to plan rom and dot length of it and close it. Now I just write system dot out dot print line, and which is a string length is okay. Now here is a concatenate length, and now just check the output. So I just copy this and paste it here. So now just check the output. So our string length is 17. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 and 17 here. So this is our string length. So now we just see the concatenating string here. The concatenating class includes a method of concatenating two strings. First one is, here is a string1 dot concat, and then here I just write a string 2. Okay, so this is the number one method. This return a new string that is string number 1 with string number 2 added to it. At the end, you can also use the concat method to string lateral. As in, you can see here I just write my name is and plus dot concat, and here I just write Fayaz. So my name is Fayaz here. So first one is I just give it the two string number 1 and concatenate the string number 2, and the another method is concatenate and my name. Now you just see the result or example of this code. So here I just write public static void main, and then I just write string, and the string is arguments here, and then a string and the string number 1, which is equal to saw I was, and then I just write system dot out dot print line, and which is dot, and then I just concatenate my string here. So plus string number 1. So here I just write plus, and then I just write string number 1, and then I just write plus, and plus is thought. Okay, and then close this code. Now you just see the output for this code. So you can see dot and then saw I was and then concatenation of dot. So you can see the concatenating string and the example of the concatenating string. So these are the strings and the types of string in Java programming language. Thanks for watching. See you in next lecture.